See elimination coding. This is a code language. Economics is not money is written as KALAHOGA. It means these are the codes for these words. Okay. See, first two rows, common word. Economics is not money. Next row, demand and supply. Economics. Common word is economics. Okay. Common word is economics. See code. Common code. KALAHOGA MOTAPAKA. Here common code is KA. So KA is code for economics. Okay. KA is code for economics. Okay. Cancel KA and economics. KA. Economics. Second row, economics. Economics. Next. See 3 rows. In 3 rows, common word. Money. Money. Money is the common word. See these 2 rows. LAHOGA ZILANEKA. So common code is LA. LA is the code for money. LA is the code for money. Cancel LA and money. 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 Okay. See 4 rows. Here second and fourth row, demand and supply. Demand makes supply. Okay. Here common words are demand, supply, demand, supply. Okay. Here common code is MOTA. MOTA. So demand, comma supply. Code is MO or TA. Okay. Next. Cancel demand, supply, MOTA. MOTA. Remaining. Third and fourth row, common word makes. Okay. Makes is a common word. Here common code is ZINEKA. ZI. Okay. ZI is code for makes. ZI is code for makes. Next. See in second row, here only we have and. Here code is PA. PA is code for and. PA is code for and. Next. In first row, remaining words is and or not. Okay. Is comma not. Codes are HO or ZA. HO or ZA. Next. In third row, we have 2 words, only and part. Okay. Only part. Codes are NE or KI. Only and part. Codes are NE or KI. NE or KI. See questions. What is the code for money in the given code language? See options. GA, MO, PA, TA, LA. Here we get LA is code for money. So option E is correct. Next question. What is the code for supply in the given code language? See codes. Supply. Supply code is either MO or TA. See options. MO or TA. Only TA. No. Only MO. No. Either PA or MO. Only PA. Either MO or TA. Here we get supply. Code is MO or TA. Either MO or TA. So option E is correct. Okay. Next. What is the code for makes? Makes code is ZI. D. Option D is correct. Fourth question. What may be the possible code for the work and money? Work and money in the given code language. Here given 5 options. Okay, here we have to find possible code for work and money. See, work. What is the code for work? Here we don't have word work. Okay. Next. What is the code for and? See, codes. And code is PA. And code is PA. Next, what is the code for money? Money is code for LA is code for money. Okay. LA is the code for money. Okay. So here we have to find the possible code for work and money. See options. PALA, PALA, PALA. So here we don't have PA. So option D is wrong. Next. PALA. Okay, here we have 4 options, 4 possibilities. Okay. So what is the code for work? See first option. PALA. Next GA. Here we get GA. GA is code for either is or not. Okay. Not work. Okay. So option A wrong. Next. Option B. PALA. PA is code for and. LA is code for money. TU. See. TU. KALAMOTA. But here TU. Okay. Not TA. So here we don't have TU. So this is the possible. TU is the possible code for work. Okay. Option B is correct. See third option. MO. MO is code for either demand or supply. Okay. Option C is wrong. Next. Option E. NE. NE is code for either only or part. Okay. Option E is wrong. So here possible code for work and money is PALATU. Option B is correct.